If I had to start freelancing from scratch today, no money, no connections, no fancy portfolio, I know I'll still land paying clients in under 30 days. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I'll do it step by step. Because let's be honest, sending out 50 proposals on Upwork or Fiverr and getting ghosted every single time, that sucks. I've been there, refreshing your inbox, hoping someone replies and not. So, in this video, I'm cutting out the fluff. No theory, no just be consistent advice, just a simple system you can follow today, even if you are starting with zero skills or experience. Watch till the end because this isn't just about freelancing. This is about building freedom. The first and most important decision you will make as a freelancer is a skill you choose. And 99% of beginners mess this up. They spend months learning video editing, copywriting, web design, and graphic design, and then wonder why they are broke and burned out. So here is the rule. Pick one skill that is first to learn, simple to sell, and highly profitable. That's it. Forget about passion, forget about what looks cool in TikTok. Right now, there are three skill categories that are in massive demand and don't require a college degree or 5 years of experience: design, development, and video. Pick one of those. If I were starting today, I would go with video editing or landing page design because those have super clear ROI for the client, meaning they will happily pay you. And no, you don't need to be world class. You just need to be good enough to solve a small problem for someone who is too busy to do it themselves. So don't overthink it. Spend 1 week going deep on one skill, watch tutorials, take a free course, copy real examples. Forget perfection. Speed is the game here. Because once you have picked your skill, the next step is to make it look like you have been doing this professionally, even if it's your first week. Let's go. Here's the harsh truth. Nobody cares what you can do. They care what you have done. And if you are just starting out, that's terrifying, right? No clients yet, no testimonials, no case studies. But here is the cheat code. You don't need real clients to build real proof. When I was starting, I stopped begging for someone to give me a chance and instead created my own opportunities. I built 3 to 5 simple projects, not for imaginary businesses, but by reverse engineering real ones. Let me give you an example. If you are learning video editing, grab a YouTuber's video and make a better version of their intro. If you are doing copywriting, rewrite a landing page for a SaaS product with terrible copy. If you are into design, redesign the homepage of a boring local business. Do real work for free on real businesses and make it look clean and intentional. Package your work up in Google Drive, Notion, or a Behance page. Keep it simple, clean, and easy to scroll. No one cares about fancy animations or big logos. They care about results. Bonus tip: post those samples in Reddit communities, Discord servers, or on Twitter and ask for feedback. You'll get seen and you might have land your first real client just from that post. At this point, you have got a skill and a lean but powerful portfolio. But guess what? None of them matters if no one sees it. So let's fix that. It's time to go get your first client. Alright, now you have got a valuable skill and a portfolio that makes you look legit. So how do you actually get paid? Most beginners make the mistake of signing up for Fiverr or Upwork and then competing with 500 other broke freelancers for $5 gigs. And they write these cringy proposals like, "Hi sir, I'm very passionate and hardworking. Please give me a chance." This stuff. That doesn't work. And it makes you look like every other desperate newbies. Instead, we go outbound, but we do it smart. Step 1. Make a hit list. Open Instagram, YouTube, or Google Maps and find 20 creators or businesses in your niche. Look for problems you can solve. Maybe their videos look unedited, their website is awful, or their Instagram captions are sucks. So, step 2, record 1 minute Loom video or write a short personalized audit. Show them the exact thing they could improve, then offer to help. Here is what I say. Hey John, I noticed your X could be improved by doing Y. I actually put together a quick video or sample showing what I would change. If it's helpful, happy to help more. That's it. No pitch, no salesy nonsense, just value upfront. Step 3. Follow up twice. Most people don't reply on the first message. So wait 2 days, then send a casual follow up. Hey, just wanted to bump this in case you missed it. All good other way. Simple, clean, and professional. This method got me my first 3 clients, and guess what? I didn't even mention that I was new because when you lead with value, they don't care how long you have been doing this. Now you have got attention, maybe even a first yes, but here's the key. Landing the client is only half the battle. You have to deliver like a pro. Even if it's your first gig, let me show you how. So you have landed a client, first payments in. You are pumped. Now it's time to not screw it up. Because here is the truth. Freelancers rarely get fired for bad work. They get fired for bad communication. When I started out, I thought all that mattered was doing amazing work. I stayed up all night editing, didn't check my emails, and sent the final delivery 3 days late with no updates. Guess what happened? Client ghosted, never came back. So here is how to deliver like a pro, even if you are brand new. Step 1. Set expectations immediately. Right after the client says yes, send a quick onboarding message like, hey, here is what I will deliver. You will get it by this date. And if you need anything, message me here. Simple, clear, and you sound like someone who is done with 100 times. Step 2. Send a mid-project update. Halfway through, shoot a message. Quick update. Everything is on track. You will have the first draft by X. Takes 20 seconds, builds massive trust. Step 3. Over-deliver just a little. Add a bonus edit, a second thumbnail, an extra hook idea, small things that say, I care about your results. Step 4. Ask for feedback and a testimonial. At the end, send a message like, if you're happy with the work, a quick testimonial would mean a lot. I would love to keep working together too. Now you have got proof for future clients and maybe a retainer deal. The goal here isn't just to finish the job, it's to make them think, damn, I need to hire this person again. So, alright, now you have got a skill, a portfolio, a system to get clients, and you know how to deliver. So how do we scale this into 1K, 2K, 3K, or 5K per month? That's next. Freelancing is great until it's not. You start off doing what you love. And before you know it, you are juggling 6 clients, missing deadlines, working weekends, and asking yourself, wait, didn't I quit my 9 to 5 job to escape this? That's why if you want to turn freelancing into real income, not just a side hustle, you have to stop thinking like a worker and start operating like a business. Step 1. Productize your offer. Don't sell your time, sell a result. Example, I edit 4 YouTube videos a month for $500. Not I charge $25 per hour for editing. This is not gonna work. It's simpler, easier to pitch, and scalable. Step 2. Systemize client acquisition. Remember those outreach messages? Turn that into a repeatable process. Use Notion, Trello, or a basic CRM to track leads, messages, follow-ups, and responses. 20 new leads every week equal predictable pipeline. Step 3. Batch your work. Set dedicated client days, editing days, and admin days. This eliminates context switching and boosts output without working longer hours. Step 4. Raise your prices with every 3 to 5 clients. As your portfolio and confidence grow, so should your rates. If people say yes too quickly, you are undercharging. Step 5. Hire your first helper. This is optional. Even a part-time virtual assistant or junior editor can free up 5 to 10 hours per week. That's time you can use to grow or rest, you choose. This is where you stop being a freelancer and start becoming a one-person agency with leverage income and freedom. But here is the part most people miss. freelancing is just the beginning. Let's talk about what's next. Here is the truth no one talks about. Freelancing isn't just the income, it's the gateway drug to freedom. It teaches you how to sell, how to manage time, how to deal with people, how to make money with just your skill and Wi Fi. And once you have done that, even at a small level, you start to see the whole game differently. That $500 per month client, that's the seed money for your own YouTube channel, digital product, or SaaS idea. The sales calls you're on now, they're prepping you to close 10 grands consulting deals in the future. You are not just building income, you are building leverage. So don't stop at freelancing. Use it to unlock what's next, whatever that means for you. Whether it's starting an agency, launching a product, or just buying back your time. Freelancing is the start of the journey, not the final destination. Now you know exactly how I would start freelancing if I had to do it all over again. No fluff, just steps that actually work. So, if this video helped you, do me a favor. Subscribe if you want more on freelancing, online income, and building online businesses. And hit the like button, just it helps this reach more people. And drop a comment below. What skill are you starting with or working on? I read every single one and I will reply to as many as I can.